Okay, so we have already introduced ourselves to the first rudimentary C program. Now we'd move on. First, I would like you to know of a couple of PDF tutorials on C. So let me just highlight them for you. So this one is C programming.pdf and another one is essential C.pdf. So these I have downloaded from the internet, and these can be shared for free. They are open source, so there's no harm in or no constraints in downloading them and sharing them. So let me click the other one. This is the other one, the C programming. So what I do is I would take the help of these two uh, tutorials to help you understand the basics, and then move on to a few difficult topics later on. Okay, and I would also like to share with you a few web-based online tutorials. Now, they are not, uh, the contents cannot be shared freely because they are proprietary, uh, but let me just give you the names. So if you just Google and let me highlight the names. One is learnvrn.com. Okay, learnvrn.com. It has a tutorial on C language, and this basically it has videos and all. It also has a tutorial in Hindi language. So if some of you are more conversant with Hindi, you may as well use the tutorial available at learnvrn.com. Of course, it's free. And you also have, let me check, you also have uh, two more tutorials which can help you understand the basics pretty well. One is the tutorial from Tutorials Point. So let me circle it, Tutorials Point, and the URL is tutorialspoint.com. And the other one is from W3 Schools. Let me highlight it, W3 Schools. You can always Google it. The URL is w3schools.in, www.w3schools.in. There may be other online tutorials also, but I found these two quite helpful, and I have included links to these tutorials as well as links to these uh, PDF files which I showed at the outset. So the one named cprogramming.pdf and essentialc.pdf. In the web page just below this video tutorial, the page where this video tutorial is embedded in. So students, I've mentioned the names of a few online tutorials on C programming, and also the names of a couple of PDF tutorials which you can download and study. I purposefully skipped naming any book on C programming, keeping in mind that we all are in the midst of a lockdown due to COVID-19, and students might have difficulty accessing their libraries and the books. Still, it would be worthwhile naming a few textbooks on C. So let me just write them down for you. The first one is named Programming in ANSI C by Bala Guru Swami. The next one named Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar. Just Kanetkar should suffice. And the third one is Programming with C by Gottfried. I hope I've got the spelling right. So students, if you can get access or get hold of any one of the three books I've mentioned over here, it will be very helpful for you.